You're about to learn 4 side dishes that will change your Thanksgiving. And it starts with these delicious amped up mashed potatoes.
And let me tell you, they are fantastic. We're going to start with an entire stick of butter. It's okay. It's the holidays. You can have butter. And then we're going to add 6 cloves of garlic. And then we're adding in sage, the secret ingredient. Well, not secret now because we just told you. And then we mix in our boiled and peeled russet potatoes. Don't do anything else. We're doing russet here, guys. We're going to mix all of that up before we add in some cream cheese. A little half and half. This has Parmesan cheese in it and nobody told me. Here's my favorite part of these recipes. Oh yeah, these mixing and stirring shots. Every time. They get me every time. And I'm really hungry, so I'm going to go grab some of that right now. I'll be right back. We got way more coming. Don't go anywhere. Next are these Miso Maple Brussel Sprouts. And I love Brussels sprouts. I love them so much. We're going to cover in olive oil, obviously. And then we're using dried minced onion. Sprinkle on some salt. And then it's going in the oven at 400 degrees. We're adding white miso paste into a bowl with some rice vinegar. And then some maple syrup, a little crushed red pepper. Give it some heat. Why not? And then, we're back to the mixing shots again. You know what that does? Butter, because of course it's the holidays. Butter for everything. Back in the oven. Oh my God. Let me tell you, my uncle makes the best Brussels sprouts ever created on the face of the earth. These would probably give it a very good run for its money. I'm sorry, Uncle John. I love you, but this will give it a very good run for its money. What did you make that you think is better? Let us know in the comments. Next up, oh my goodness, creamy mac and cheese. And we're probably going to have some more delicious stirring shots because, you know, that's what we bring you here at Cooking Panda. 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese go into this, along with some Gruyere cheese as well, because it's going to be the cheesiest thing you've ever seen. And then a half a cup of Parmesan. And then you just fold in the cheese, David. Just fold it in with our elbow macaroni. Shout out to anybody who gets that reference. And then we're going to take all of this delicious concoction, and like any delicious mac and cheese, we're then going to bake it. We're going to bake it. And once it's in the little tray here, we're going to do some butter in panko. And then we're just kind of like crumbling it up, and then we're going to spread it all over the top. And that sucker. And here comes that money shot. Look at that mac and cheese. Yes, please. What's that? You wanted another delicious cheesy dish? We got you covered here. We're starting with bacon and then some onion. I can smell it. Oh, it smells delicious. What delicious dish did we miss out on? Let us know in the comments. And then we're adding butter. Again, holidays, we're all okay. And then the hot milk. Hot milk is key. Do not put in cold milk. Gruyere cheese, Parmesan cheese, and then there's one of my favorites. Look at these. Look at that. And then the cauliflower goes in. Don't sleep on cauliflower, everybody. Our bacon crumbles on the top, along with the salt according to your taste level. And then some panko, Parmesan, even more on the top. I told you we're bringing the cheese. And that's going in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And look at that. You're welcome. Become the rock star of your Thanksgiving Day table with all these delicious things. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite? Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll have more recipes coming at you. Thanks for watching.